Welcome to Car AutoZone, your go-to channel for next-gen automotive innovation. And today, we have something truly mind-blowing to showcase. A vehicle that redefines not just motorhomes, but the future of mobile luxury living. This is the 2025 Playmouth Road Runner Motor. Home a machine that looks like it was teleported straight out of the year 2050. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement, revolution, a new benchmark. Let's start with first impressions. One glance and you'll know this is no ordinary RV. It's called the Big Hioj Model under the legendary Road Runner banner. And it carries forward the boldness that Playmouth always stood for. The maroon metallic finish gives it a deep, commanding presence, sleek, glossy, and so reflective it mirrors the future itself. Chrome accents highlight the curves and contours, enhancing the aerodynamic silhouette that makes it look more like a private jet on wheels than a road-bound motor. As we walk around the front, you're greeted by an ultra-wide wraparound windshield made entirely of smart glass. This panoramic screen not only offers a crystal-clear view of the world ahead, but it also functions as a heads-up display, projecting route data, navigation, environmental alerts, and even entertainment visuals. The front grille is a thing of beauty, a digital masterpiece with seamless laser-cut patterns and embedded AI sensors. The illuminated Playmouth Road Runner logo stretches proudly across the hood, glowing subtly even in daylight, asserting its dominance. Flanking the front, we have ultra-slim, high-intensity LED headlights that blink and breathe like the eyes of a living machine. Below, an ambient light bar runs across the width of the bumper, giving the illusion that the entire motorhome is floating. Every part of this machine is designed for presence, not just to be seen, but to be remembered. Moving along the side, the Big Hioj's scale becomes even more apparent. This isn't just long, it's commanding. Flush retractable doors slide open at a voice command, while chrome-lined side skirts illuminate softly with customizable underglow lighting. The maroon body paint has a unique pearlescent property that changes shade slightly depending on the angle and the light, from deep wine, red to subtle black cherry. With hints of bronze shimmer under sunlight, the side profile also displays the signature Playmouth Road Runner branding in a futuristic font, illuminated with fiber-optic light tracing that's fully dimmable or reactive to motion. The turbine-inspired alloy wheels are equally a catching 26-inch multi-spoke. Chrome beasts with magnetic ride suspension and independent AI-controlled torque balancing for maximum comfort on any terrain. Let's step around to the rear. The design stays consistent with the space age theme. You'll see a sleek tail structure, jet engine-inspired taillights that streak across the width like a starship's thrusters, and a powered ramp that automatically unfolds for either a small car, bike, or even a lounge deck setup. The entire rear is controlled by a gesture-based system or AI assistant, making it feel more like a sci-fi set piece than a practical vehicle component. But the true magic of the 2025 Road Runner Motorhome lies inside. Let's take you in. The cockpit is unlike anything you've ever seen in an RV. It resembles the command deck of a luxury spacecraft. Dual captain chairs wrapped in Italian leather with full recline, massage, and cooling functions. The central dashboard is an all-glass panel, customizable with widgets, navigation, climate control, and more. A yoke-style steering system and voice-based controls, powered by Playmouth's proprietary Drive AI system, ensure that the driver doesn't need to lift a finger. The windshield itself acts as a HUD, projecting all necessary driving info directly into your line of sight. Now entering the living area, prepare to be amazed. A modular U-shaped leather sofa wraps around a central smart table that can shift height, rotate, or even disappear into the floor. The walls are clad in customizable smart glass, which can turn transparent, opaque, or even display digital artwork or ambient scenes. Want to feel like you're on a beach in Maldives or floating above Saturn? Just say the word. The lighting is fully ambient RGB, reacting to mood, time of day, or even music beats. The entertainment system is worthy of a private cinema retractable 8,000 OLED screen, spatial audio speakers embedded into the ceiling and walls, and wireless streaming from any device. There's even a holographic projection module in the center that brings your movies or games into the 3D realm. Now let's check out the kitchen, which honestly feels like a gourmet studio. It's compact but packed with innovation. Hidden induction cooktops, a voice-controlled smart oven, a wall-embedded coffee and smoothie machine, and even a robot arm that can assist in prepping meals. Cabinets are matte black with golden accents, soft close, and touched open. The backsplash is an interactive display that can show live recipes, timers, news, or even mirror your devices. There's also a hidden bar counter that slides out of the island, with 2 fold-out, chromand leather bar stools. Adjacent to the kitchen, the bedroom suite is pure comfort meets space tech. A king-size memory foam bed that contours to your body with climate zones, mood lighting embedded into the headboard, and a starlight projection ceiling. The wardrobe is smart, sensing your clothing choices, managing storage, and suggesting outfits. The glass walls can display relaxing visuals, real-time weather, or even go transparent for breathtaking views outside. Let's not forget the bathroom, which would put many 5-star hotels to shame. You get a self-cleaning toilet, touchless. Fixtures, a rainfall shower with digital temperature control, and a smart mirror with facial recognition that can track your health vitals, skin quality, and even give you a morning wellness summary. Every surface is antimicrobial, every faucet touchless, every light adaptive. There's even a hidden garage under the rear floor, with space for a compact electric vehicle or motorbike, and robotic arms that organize luggage and equipment automatically. If you're an adventurer, content creator, or even a mobile entrepreneur, this motorhome is your palace on wheels. And here's the best part. Every system inside. The Big Hioj Road Runner is controlled via Playmouth's AI assistant, voice commands, hand gestures, smartphone app, or even full automation mode. The AI learns your habits, optimizes energy use, preheats your shower, starts your coffee in the morning, and even drives in self-navigation mode if permitted. Solar panels on the roof ensure off-grid freedom, and an advanced battery bank keeps the entire vehicle running silently and cleanly. So who is this for? The 2025 Playmouth Road Runner Motorhome isn't for just any traveler.